Oxegen Gavila is Sedena to the lads show all war Mlina. Hey Shaveg Taffage in a rail to the Ismo August album or Streets of Gold Jirach Air and Malak Mila Fall through the very awesome 303.
Go Hintok!
Lads, you have to wait for me to ask how you're doing before you drop the Hintok bomb. Getting ahead of yourselves.
No. It's so Kohintok that it's like we gotta say Kohintok.
Sometimes it's good to be premature, sometimes not. In
Go
this
Hintok.
case, not.
Kohintok.
Lads, how you doing?
Go Hintok!
Hey, look at that 303 in the house. Lads, you're very welcome to Ireland.
Good.
I noticed on your website you are technologically astute because you had only landed and you had tweeted that you were in the Hot Press signing tent signing a very awesome signing.
We do the Twitter. We have cellular telephones that have data services that you can tweet from.
Plus we finish
Each
other's
sentence.
You caught a bit of flack. Some people will take it seriously. It kind of depends on your sense of humour, I suppose. Don't trust a hoe. There was a bit of reaction to that. I thought it was funny. Some people didn't think so.
I think a lot of people don't use gardening tools, so they don't understand what it's like.
Honestly, we thought this. We were discussing the interview before. We thought this was going to be a puff piece where you asked the questions.
Now this is interesting. This I've not heard before. A puff piece. What is the 303 definition of a puff piece?
It's a very light question, such as favorite color and stuff. It's kind of like unicorns, rainbows, and butterflies. It's not the prying questions that you're asking.
I feel like you're like stabbing my nerves with needles right now. Like,
but do you think that
what happened when you were a child that made you so messed up? Why'd you ask? Why?
What did happen? It's not your fault.
Not you. Not you.
It's not your fault.
Not you. Not you, Sean.
Look at me when I'm talking to you. It's not your fault. You've had some opera collaborations, obviously Kesha, Katy Perry, Superstars. Do they approach you? Do you approach them? How does that happen?
We find them when they're young and impressionable.
And groom them.
Yeah, before they make it big, we come up to them and we're just like, hey, little ladies, we got a good opportunity for you. We got Candy. I lost my puppy. Please come help me.
We've known that. It's actually more friendships that develop into kind of collaborations. Because Kesha, we've known for we wrote that song with her like My First Kiss a couple years ago.
Oh, really? Okay.
So we wanted a girl to do the response to the line that Sean had written, and she was working with the producer we knew, and so we started a relationship then. And then with Katie, like we started touring right when she kind of started touring heavily on the Warped Tour in 2008 in the States, and just became good friends.
303's brand new album, Streets of Gold. Be with you very soon.
Buy it before 2012, everybody.
We're all going down, lads. It's been a pleasure.
Right.
Thank you kindly for this.
Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Hey.
303 on Short Air Pop4.